Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to implement body tracking using augmented reality and RealityKit in Flutter iOS app. So this would be only for iOS. So firstly I will show you the output, what the output looks like. So here you can see that firstly I'll just move it forward. So here is my camera open, and as soon as a human body is detected, you can see that it starts tracking my body on this particular body tracking application in augmented reality or using RealityKit. So let's see how to do this. So firstly I have created one Flutter application, and inside main.dart I have just refactored this home page widget. It is a stateless widget. Here I have created as a custom widget called my AR view, which I will show you shortly, which has been wrapped inside a size box so that our custom widget can occupy the entire width and height. Now if I show you this custom widget, my AR view, firstly I have defined one identifier which we will use same identifier on native iOS side as well. Then I have created one stateless widget, and if platform is iOS, then only I am creating a UI kit view. For all other platforms I am just displaying one placeholder. So that's it on a Flutter side. Next you will have to open the iOS folders XE workspace inside Xcode. I have already done that. Firstly, inside info.plist you will have to add this ns camera usage description permission. So I have added that. Next important thing is you will have to update the minimum deployment target for iOS to at least 13, because at the time of me recording Flutter still targets iOS 12. So over here you will have to update, as well as over here you will have to update. Once that is done, go to app delegate, and here firstly we will have to register our view. So this is boilerplate code. Here we are just referencing this Swift file which we will create shortly, and this is the same identifier which we have used it on the Flutter side. Then here I have created this my AR view native view factory. Again, this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native iOS view inside your Flutter application. Only thing is it references another Swift file called my AR view native view. So for that, create another Swift file. So this is the file, but before I show you this file, there is some boilerplate code which you have to write. So firstly is for body skeleton. Okay, before that wait, skeleton joint. So here firstly create a Swift file called skeleton joint, and here I have defined it as a struct. Most of this code I don't understand it. I have just copy pasted it from the documentation, from Apple's documentation. So yeah, so I won't be able to explain it to you much. So here I have firstly defined a skeleton joint. Then we define one skeleton bone which takes a skeleton joint. So if you want, you can just pause this video for now and just copy paste all this code. Then we define bones. So these are all the bones. Like I have only defined a few set of bones. There are more bones as well. So yeah, you can just copy paste it. Be careful with the strings. In case if there is a typo, you might face issues. So I'll simply scroll through this, pause the video wherever you feel like. Okay, so that's it for bones. Then is the body skeleton. So again I have just copy pasted it, so you can do the same. Here as you can see I have given some colors. You can change it to whatever you feel like. Okay, then so I've shown you this, I've shown you this as well, body skeleton. And then the last file is my AR view native view. Here you will have to import RealityKit as well as ARKit, and here we create our parent view, then our AR view. Here we are initializing body skeletal as well as anchor entity, and inside init we initialize our UI view, then we return our view. So this is also an overridden method. And then we just create inside create native view, we create an AR view, and here we just translates like do NS layout stuff. Then we called AR body tracking configuration. The issue is that because we are using AR body tracking configuration, it always uses back camera. As far as I know, this is not, it is impossible to track the body using front camera. If you want to do front camera tracking, then you will have to do your own solution. This default solution won't work. Then here we are again overriding this method which I have just copy pasted. So these are all the joints. So in case if you want to do more joints or track more joints, you can use this as well. Like I have just done a selected few. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.